Your first house doesn't need to be your forever house. We are living in times where affordability is a little questionable, right? So I am on a mission to help you first timers out, the ones who are just like, I just want to get in a house. I'm going to be showing you 4 to 5 houses over the next few days in the North Fort Worth area that you can get into for less than $300,000. Let's go ahead and take a look at this house. Starting on the outside, because you know that neighborhood scan is super important, because I think that when you buy a house, the neighbors can be just as important. So how they upkeep their home, what does it look like when you pull up to the house, all those things. This home is a 1,629 square foot home built in 2003. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-car garage, and it's listed for $279,500. So once you're inside, like first off, I love a good entryway, and this home to me has a really good entryway. So on the right side, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This is bedroom number 1. And here's the standard size bathroom. But there it is, and that's the same bathroom that your guests would use, because this home does not have a half bath. It's just 2 full baths. So here's another closet. Look at the tall ceilings, y'all. Like, I am a sucker for tall ceilings. I am a tall girl and I need some space. Here's the cloak closet. And again, here's the hallway. So you can see the distance, and then here is the kitchen. Now I will get you several angles of the kitchen, so just rest assured. But I will tell you guys that this is my favorite house out of the 4 houses within the series that I'm doing, houses under $300,000. You've got upgrades in here. You've got a spacious kitchen, lots of storage. Now, if you need a good pantry because you like to eat, there you go. Look at that pantry, y'all. It's huge. And then we have the laundry room that it's like in the walkway for the garage. There is a little section for storage in the garage, but you can see that the laundry room is right there as you're walking through. Here's the dining room area. Now let's go ahead and get to the yard. The yard does, in my opinion, need a little bit of TLC, but nothing major going on back here. You do have an extended patio, so that's really good if you like to be outdoors. And you can use that area for so many different things. So if you're interested in homes like this, or this home in particular, if you are serious about it, definitely send me a text or call me and I will shoot you over the exact information for this house. As of right now, it's still available, but that could change at any moment. However, if you're not looking for anything immediately, and you just want houses that look like this, I can send you a list of homes that could fit your criteria. So just comment list now or DM me list now, and I'll contact you and send you over a list of homes that could work for you. Now back to this beautiful home. If you haven't figured out that we are on the master side, we are on the master side. So that's the master closet there, bathroom, dual sinks, and then a good sized master bedroom. So you tell me, if you were just starting off in your home buying process, very, very first home, a lot to learn, would this work for you?